Today is very sad day because my father will take my car back to Ukraine and try to sell it, and we will be here without any wheels. Sad. Look at this beautiful car. It's clean, very shiny, and we're ready for a good long trip. Hope father will like and enjoy it. It's a little bit sad to say goodbye to this car because a lot of kilometers spent on it, and it was perfect. Chevrolet Malibu awesome car. It's very sad that in Europe you can't find it, only in America. I think that this is maybe the step that we need to do to not lose more that we can lose if this car will stay here. And the best part of preparing car for my father is the full gas tank. Yeah. It's time to count calories and lose weight. Now we are like in good old days when I was at school. I'm with a bag and going to the bus by your legs. It's very uncomfortable when you get used to drive the car like almost every single day. But it is what it is, and it's not so bad. Yep. Yeah.
It's normal for you.
And 20 minutes later we are on a place. Great nostalgia feelings when it is hot bus with a lot of people inside. I like my orthopedist. I love my doctor. She don't look at the German system, and I ask for help, and she help. No trainings. I need to save my finger for the game. Second day of searching the car. Ira decided to go to another city, just walk through there. That car dealers. So, two first dealer center passed. The prices are crazy, but the kilometers of these cars were pretty low. But the prices are crazy. 22,000, 17,000. I like these sellers, dealers that see that you have potential buyer of the car, as they don't even move their asses. Just look. Oh, new one. Oh, they will go. It's finally so fucking hot outside. It's finally great, but it really sucks when you're without a car, wheels. You need just to go by your feet. Look at this beauty. What a super car. crazy. All the Porsche. Wow. Even that automatic transmission. Crazy car. And Jaguar. So it is maybe 5 or 4th dealer markets. And crazy, we got area from that side beside this store. We got a lot, very a lot of cars. I think we'll spend a lot of time there. In my opinion, the big problem is that a lot of cars go into the export, not in the Deutschland market, and a lot of markets used by rubbish sellers, and I think that they don't give a lot of patience, a lot of energy to repair the car, as all sellers do. So only after couple hours we find only one car. It's BMW 2015 155,000 kilometers, and it's in real good condition. It's clean, everything fine. I didn't ride it, but it is very interesting car. From all of these cars, and we go there too, only one that get our attention. It will be hot, much hotter than I expect. We are so tired, we are exhausted. We made maybe 13,000 steps, and we're really tired. Kira is dying, she is very exhausted. Look at her face. So after a couple hours we just understand that the market is strange. If it will be a low price, it will be a lot of kilometers in a car. So after maybe 2 or 3 hours of just walking around, watching the cars, we had 3 cars in our mind. Sad. Oh yeah, at home. One more day of finding a car. We buy coffee in a restaurant with the Russian speakers. No matter who is the owner, in Germany still shitty coffee. I don't know why it is so hard to make good normal coffee, but every time, almost everywhere, the coffee is shit. It was a fail. The car had so little kilometers, and inside, and the sounds were like it was twice bigger and strange. Inside, when you read the description, it sounds like brand new car without any problems, but when you are inside, it sounds like it has at least 5 owners before you come. So searching continues. day 3 or day 4 of trying to find a car. We will look for 3 cars today. 2 will be from dealers, and the third one, Ira find the advertising just today at the 6 o'clock in the morning. Was post, and we will see. Their seller is Russian speaker, so it will be a little bit easier than speak with Arabic dealer. Ira today find this car, Opel Astra, universal car, 5 doors, 100,000 kilometers. Looks pretty good. And this guy, Audi A3, that stay very long here. This is a car 2005. My friend that they cut kilometers or almost, just from the photo, from almost 80 kilometers, 80,000 kilometers. This car has a lot of scratches and very old. This stuff, I don't know how to say it in English. What is interesting is that we're here. I wrote to WhatsApp that I'm here, I'm waiting. I wrote yesterday that I will be here, and nobody here. But cars, this car is working, so someone got to be here, and no one here, no one wants to speak with me. I like how people sound here. They just don't give a fuck what you want. If you want to buy, if you want to spend money, nothing. They just don't care. If you want to buy, you will buy. Not perfect condition for the price. That's why I decided just to write that what issues I find, and that I'm ready to talk if the price will be from 5,000 euro. I think he will just say fuck you. So we decided to just leave because I don't have a lot of time for just waiting for some guy to sell me a car. We are sitting on the wrong places. What is interesting is that we come closer to the place where it's BLE, and this guy opens the door and just prepares something before I come. Very interesting moment. Now I was wrong. It wasn't the BLE, it was another car before him. Nice. And the BLE will come here just in 20 minutes, so we just need to wait. Wait. Everything in Germany you need to wait. What's the best? Chocolate is Milky Way. If you don't agree, I don't give a fuck. Check. So we finished with the BMW, and it's a really good car. I like it. It's like a boat, like a ship, but still got some strange details that take my attention. Guy don't know what happens with it. Has it some car accidents or no? And the music like still doesn't work, and it's fucking strange. 1 year guarantee, 2 year tooth. to wait. You need to think about it. And again, fail. Fucking disgusting open with a lot of problems. Just spend time on bullshit. A lot of waiting, a lot of traveling by bus with bad smells. Upset. We just spent day on the bullshit. Just moving through the city and see this smart. This is not old, this is just a cover. Great. This stuff is like in donuts. And the little reward for today is Käse, flash Käse. And look at this size. It's crazy. For me, one is not enough. You still eating? No. We're at home.